Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this big shoulder Smokehouse K barbecue pork burnt ends. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your package of burnt ends and rice. We're going to need a foil lined baking sheet, a nonstick skillet with a lid, a measuring cup, a spoon, some scissors to open everything up with, and a food thermometer to make sure that our meat is cooked through. The first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to go ahead and get this opened up, and we've got in here our package of burnt ends, and then we have our package of rice. We're going to set aside the rice for now, and we're going to work on our burnt ends. We need to grab our pan, and we're going to go ahead and open this up and dump it out onto our pan. Now we're just going to take our spoon and we're going to arrange this in a single layer on the pan. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, that's done. Now we're just gonna go ahead and pop our pan into the oven for around 20 minutes. We're looking for our internal temperature to reach 165 degrees. So we'll check on that in a little bit, but in the meantime, we're gonna get started on our rice. Now to do our rice, if you want everything to come together at around the same time, I would recommend waiting about 10 minutes after you put your burnt ends into the oven before you start your rice. Now let's set aside our lid for this and turn our burner to high and let this skillet heat up for about 1 minute. All right, now that our pan is heated, we're gonna go ahead and open up our rice, and we're gonna pour in our 2 tablespoons of water, followed immediately by our rice. Now we're gonna stir that up, and we're gonna cover this skillet and reduce our heat to medium. We're gonna let this heat up for 6 minutes. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, it has been 6 minutes for our rice, so we're gonna take our lid off and see how this is looking. All right, that seems like it's cooked up nicely. Now we're gonna check on our burnt ends. All right, it has been 20 minutes and we're just gonna go ahead and check our temperature to see if these are done. All right, we have reached our internal temperature. Here is our completed big shoulder Smokehouse K barbecue pork burnt ends. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.